Hi guys, this is Vysh from Vysh. We completed the R.S. Sharma lectures yesterday. 27 chapters were done. So entire ancient history syllabus is actually covered. You can tell that, okay, because NCERTs also was done, class 6 to 10th, and now this R.S. Sharma is also done. Same way, modern history also majority of the portions is done because spectrum is done, and again lot of NCERTs were done. But 12th standard NCERT was not done. That we may do it later. But if you do spectrum itself, I think whatever is needed for UPSC is more or less covered. Okay, spectrum NCERT is for beginners actually who don't know anything can read the NCERT first and then go to the spectrum. So that is about the completed series. So like that we have a lot of other playlists which UPSC students should must watch it. Okay, if you are very serious about the exam, you should watch it, and then you should take a test series also. And test series and this thing can go parallel. There is nothing like you have to watch it and then take the test series. Okay, because test series has references from a lot of other books. Okay, not only spectrum is also one of the sources, so it's better you start solving test from now. Okay, another way of doing the spectrum is joining the mains test series. So what will happen is you will be reading specific chapters in specific weeks of different textbooks and then taking the test. So automatically in 3 to 4 months you will be completing all the standard textbooks. Okay, and you'll be reading, writing, and then getting it evaluated also. So that is how in 4 months by February mid you will be completing the entire syllabus, and you will be much ahead of all the other competitors. Okay, who are not only maybe reading or only maybe watching video or trying to write something from by themselves, but it will be all random. Okay, if you need a complete course, you need a disciplined test series, and that is why you should join one test series. Okay, so that is about that. So another one important thing which I want to tell in this video is Satish Chandra was already started. Okay, the medieval India portions were already started, and two chapters were uploaded, which was all Mughal Empire. Okay, starting from 15th century, that is Babur, and till the time of Akbar. Okay, 15th, 16th century, that we were covering. That actually was named as chapter 1 and 2, but that is actually the chapter number 12 and 13 of the actual textbook. Okay, I actually used the second half of that textbook. Okay, that time a part 2 kind of thing which I had that time. So I have now renamed it. Now if you go to Satish Chandra playlist, it will be named as chapter number 12 and 13. Okay, thumbnail it will show chapter number 12 and chapter number 13. Okay, so from chapter 1 to 11 we have to do. Okay, so we will be restarting the Satish Chandra as a whole. So this video we are just telling you that thing, that we are restarting the Satish Chandra. So as and when we have time, we will be trying to complete this also, like we completed other textbooks. Meanwhile, I wanted to show you the textbook actually. Okay, what I am trying to tell you. So this is the medieval India textbook, new textbook. I got it from again online source only. Just Google it, you will get the PDF. Okay, in some Facebook groups or any UPSC oriented groups will be there who upload PDFs for free. Okay, so there you can see this scanned version. Okay, so this is actually the contents I wanted to show you this. So India and the world, as you see, that is the first chapter which you have to take up. Okay, India and the world, the first chapter is actually not very important. It is just telling you different parts of the world, how or what was happening during the 8th century. 8th century is kind of the time when we tell the starting of medieval India. Okay, 8th century AD. So that time what is happening in different parts of the world, that is what is there in the first chapter. Then it will go as per like the South India, Deccan, economic, social life, Central Asia, South Asia, North Asia. So everywhere it will slowly enter India, and then we'll see different kingdoms of India, and that is how here if you see around chapter, this is actually 12 and 13. Okay, this is a struggle for empire in North India. This is actually chapter number 12 and 13 which we actually did. Okay, so these 168 to 190 which you see, this is actually completed. Okay, remaining is what we have to do. Here next page you will see chapter number 14. Okay, again Deccan. Okay, all these things. So actually the textbook which I had initially was like starting from here. Okay, so that is why I started from there. So the remaining 10 chapters above that we will be starting now. So it will be kind of a restarting kind of series. Okay, it will be added in the same playlist, but we will be trying to do this chapter. Okay, so I'll do it in the next video. This video is just to tell you this thing, and meanwhile I'll show you the other courses also, other free lectures which you can watch. Okay, so spectrum we completed, R. Sharma we completed, Satish Chandra we are doing now. Lakshmikant Polity, around I think 3 chapters were done. The part 1 of Polity, because you know the textbook is divided into part 1, part 2, part 3, like that it is divided. So the part 1 was completed. Ma'am was taking it. Now because as I said, we are very much busy in the test series, and we have to be with the students who are enrolled with us, because every day they are writing mains answers or solving prelims MCQs. So we have to be with them and guide them. So that is why we cannot do lectures every day. Okay, we both are totally engaged. Okay, we are working almost round the clock. Anytime you message us also, you will be getting the response from us. So that is because we are working in the background. Okay, So that is happening, and so lectures will proceed as and when we have free time. Okay, then NCERTs both geography and history class 6th and 10th was fully completed. Okay, you can watch that. Okay, class 9th history we stopped because class 10 and 11 and 12 was not important for prelims. Okay, it will be needed for the mains actually, so that we will do later. As of now, and class 12, as I said, if you can read it yourself, but Spectrum will give you the entire thing you needed for UPSC. Other playlists in our channel are this 2017, when prelims was completed, we did all the 100 MCQs. We told you the question and answer. We showed you through the, or walked you through the paper. Okay. Similarly, other years also we are planning, so we'll do it soon. Economics, students have been asking to complete Ramesh Singh, but you should understand that most of the channels, many reputed institutions, they keep telling like please do Ramesh Singh, but what we understand by seeing the textbook is it is not required for UPSC students. Okay, it's a very bulky book, and when you do that full textbook, you are not going to get questions which is asked from that book. Okay, even though it is designed for civil service exam, questions rarely come from it. Okay. The basic money and banking thing, you have to do it from basic class 11 12 NCERT, or you can watch any popular online channel. Okay, like Mrinal is a very good source. Mrinal channel, if you watch economics, any basic thing, anyone who don't know anything also will understand. Okay, that is one good thing. His articles are also there, so you can read that also. So economics, you can read basics from there and then follow the current affairs, then solve MCQs, budget document, economic survey. All these things are anyway covered in test series. Okay, Vysh covers it, I don't know about others. So if you are enrolled to that thing, automatically you will learn entire thing what is needed for economics. Okay, we itself in our prelims, I think we have 3 sets fully dedicated to economics alone, so around 300 MCQs are there, economic specific. Other than that, in current affairs and all, lot of economic related questions also will be there. So like that you have to do, but don't do the full textbook of Ramesh Singh. I don't think it will benefit you in the UPSC exam. Okay, for knowledge sake or your interest sake you can read, but for UPSC we don't recommend the full textbook. Okay, important chapters we will be uploading, already 2-3 are uploaded. Okay, then tricks, there is a playlist. Okay, CTS series, confusing topics simplified. Okay, that was an old playlist where around 5 to 7 videos are there, I think now, which will help you understand or what to say, by heart certain things. Okay, or understand certain things where it's very factual. Okay, very factual, but you have to do it for prelims. Such things in Vysh's methods we are teaching you. Okay, the same kind of thing we have now introduced in a snippet card kind of format, around 50 to 60 snippet cards. Every student who is enrolled with us will get it. Okay, as part of the prelims package, it's an add-on. Whoever buys the test series will get that cards. Okay, like our revision charts which we have, 150 revision charts and 50 snippet cards is an add-on to our prelims package. Okay, so that you will get it, or for sample sake you can see this playlist of what we are trying to tell you. Okay, then MCQ practice, again here this playlist has more than 1000 MCQs, I think, because the 10 MCQs we are going on showing every now and then as samples. Okay, which is directly taken from our test series. Okay, which is of high quality. So if you see this playlist itself, you will understand why Vysh's test series is important. So you can watch that for a lot of samples. Similarly, a mains guide is also there, a different playlist where mains related things are uploaded. This Road to Mussoorie is one playlist which we put for students who are very new to UPSC, who are going to prepare for 2020, 2021. Those students who have no idea of how the UPSC notification look like, which is the UPSC website, what all papers it has, how much mark distribution, what is the cutoff, these kind of very basic things about UPSC, that you can watch this. Okay, so if you are a totally beginner kind of person, you should watch this. Okay, you should. Okay, it's not like you can, you should watch this and then go for other playlist. Okay, because if you don't have idea of this exam, then there is no point just gathering content from here and there. Okay, you have to understand the crux of what UPSC demands. Okay, then this is what I told, 2019 prelims and mains guide. This is like very important for 2019 students. It is it has everything. Okay, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, case study, ethics, language paper, everything. 2013 to 17 question wise we have segregated in subject wise, like what topic is under what question, everything. Okay, we have very detailedly we have explained everything. Okay, the question trend analysis, from where which part of the syllabus questions are coming, what you should do, which books you should refer, such every kind of information is here, and thousands of samples are also there, both MCQ prelims and mains question answers. Okay, even our correction method is uploaded there, like how we correct papers. Okay, because we have been got the success rate is because the level of correction which we do. Okay, line by line evaluation we are doing. Okay, of each student's answer copy and then sending it back to them. That is why we even stopped the enrollment, because we could not take up that much burden of that much students who comes late. Okay, if they are in schedule and track, it's fine, but if they come late, we will not be able to correct the papers for them in that same same detailing. Okay, so that is about mains guide. Then this is a raw regular answer writing, again 2018 mains direct questions came from this series. Okay, this was an old series where I used to show question, model question and answer, okay, which is written answer which I write personally and then I'll explain in video. So direct questions have come from here. That also is explained in another video called Vysh versus Mains. Okay, Vysh versus UPSC. There is a video where it explains what all questions directly came from Vysh IAS. Then mastering maps, again it's a very useful playlist for your prelims. Okay, different parts of the world we are taking it and showing you the prelims factual thing which you have to learn, okay, about maps. So that all these pictures, thumbnails which you see is all free. It's all free lectures which we'll be uploading every now and then. Paid courses, it is a test series, okay, because we believe in test series more than free lectures. Okay, if students want to clear exams, UPSC exam especially, they have to take test every frequently. We cannot even tell every day or every week. It should be frequently. If you take every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, it's fine, but you should take test right from the beginning. It's not like you will study everything and then do, because there is nothing like everything in UPSC. Okay, a student, if you are given even 10 years to prepare, you cannot complete UPSC syllabus. Okay, because UPSC syllabus is something which increases every day. Okay, the first line in syllabus, you go and see the notification to the first line in UPSC syllabus is every event of national and international importance. Okay, that is the first line. Then after that, if they print 2 pages or 3 pages, it is no point, because there itself it is covering the entire world current affairs. Okay, every event of national and international importance. So in that, it means like anything which happens in news every day, that is important for you. So there is no point like, or you cannot tell like I completed. You can never complete UPSC syllabus. Okay, that is why parallelly you should be taking your test also. So that's about the playlist. Test series, multiple times we showed you. This is the main test series. Just pause it and see. Okay, enrollments were closed, but yesterday when I told it like we have closed, again 2-3 people contacted us, and I think they have 2 of them have joined yesterday. So if anybody else who want to join it immediately can join, but after 1 week or something, if you come, we are sorry, we cannot accommodate, because as I told, we cannot we cannot have students out of track. Okay, we need students who are in track and can complete everything by February. Okay, so that every 2 weeks you can take. If you join late, problem is you will have to take it every 1 week, and that you will not complete the portions in 1 week. You need 2 weeks to study as per we have set. Okay, we have given that much detailing of how much to study in each week. Okay, so that is about mains. So prelims, again, the full package is there which UPSC students should buy, the last blue color row which you see. But in case there are non-UPSC students who need only specific subject like only history or only geography or only current affairs, such students can buy this thing. Okay, but if a UPSC student buys like 2 packages of this thing, it is actually a loss for them. Okay, because that in that price you will get the entire package itself. So if you're a UPSC student, buy the full package. If it's a non-UPSC student, buy the specific thing. Okay. This is about the test series also. So as I said, we will continue the medieval India soon. I am not guaranteeing you any date or something. Like we completed R.S. Sharma, the same way we will be completing medieval India also, hopefully. Okay, so the textbook we have got it, the PDF which I got it from the online site, as I told. You can also search it and download it, so that you can also do your personal reading. So I'll come up with the lecture soon. Till then, enjoy your learning. Thank you and have a nice day.